Hi, welcome to a tutorial on OpenLM. Now we'll see how OpenLM can allow you to monitor different projects in your organization. So you might have a few running projects with different users assigned to them. Now, you can bill them according to their license usage using OpenLM. So let's see what you need to do. First of all, you'll need to install the OpenLM broker on the license server itself. You'll need to install the OpenLM agent on the workstations, and they will in turn send all the information to the OpenLM core, which allows you to see all the different reports and interface that you would like to see. But let's see how we can configure that. Let's jump to the OpenLM interface. Click Start, go to Management, and click Project. Project screen will open up where we can click Add to add a new project. So let's call it Autodesk. And let's say that it expires in about a month. Its priority is high and about 10% are already done. Now let's add users into it. We can add users or groups into this project, but let's add a user for now. So click on User, click Add. Let's select the user. You can select several users, but let's select one for now. Select. Now click on the user and set this project as default. If a user has a few projects, you can set this as the default so you can see him under this project in the reports. So let's click Save. And that's it. We got the project. And if that user tries to check out a license, he will be assigned to this project. So let's see that in action. Let's open a workstation right here and check out a license of AutoCAD. A notification will pop up saying that default project Autodesk was set. Clicking OK, we can choose our current project. Now this is our project, so let's click OK. And now, going back to the OpenLM interface, we'll be able to see that usage in the report assigned to that project. So let's click Start, Reports, License Activity, for example. Let's include current activity because we have opened it just now. Open Project and select our project. Click Apply. And we see our usage right here. We see that we got the package and we also have the feature. This is our usage time. This is our idle time. And that's about it. This is in all graphs. You can filter by project in almost all the graphs of OpenLM. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.